Hello, hey guys, welcome to back my YouTube channel. The Instagram has been commented error problem. The comment has been not show error problem. This made and the no connected no comment viewers show starting your content. Error the comment has been not show problem but any solve the issue and step by step the problem the solution update this Instagram the commented problem solution update. And first of all the show easily problem the solution update. And first of all the open the Play Store and iPhone Android same procedure. First of all the update and beta version the experience and testing the Instagrams. Open the Instagram and new updated auto updated and new update enables. And second step the first of all the internet connection checking. And third the reset your mobiles and completed. And reset this device and completed. Second step the open the Instagram app. And first of all the checkings commented the open document has been showing problem solved. Live proof the problem solution update now. And thank for watching this video and properly guideline update. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.